And in today's video, Galaxy S24 Ultra after a couple of days. The device itself looks awesome, fantastic, titanium look. Fingerprint sensor, quick, phenomenal quick. Look, wow, very impressive. Face recognition, behind the cable. I'm behind the cable, and now it is gorgeous. Oh, beautiful wallpaper. How smooth it is? Well, you can see that judder. There is a little bit of judder. Why is that? Well, I think I know why. Let me show it to you. In the settings, we have motion smoothness, adaptive motion smoothness. There is no fix 120, so it will adapt to a scenario. And this adoption is a bit jittery, so maybe that's why we have that. Well, or you can go also standard with 60, but come on, with Galaxy 24 Ultra, no one will use 60. No one. Also, in the screen department, we do have Quad HD, which I'm on at the moment, Full HD or HD. Well, it all depends how much battery you want to drain. Also, Vivid or Natural Screen. I prefer Vivid. You can play around with colors if you wanted to. Advanced option for RGB. Also, let me switch to a different wallpaper. This one is quite dark. Generate an AI wallpaper. Those are all generated AI wallpapers. That's very cool, isn't it? I like this one. Let's generate a new one. You will see how quickly it is. The main worlds are jungle, nothing else, and avant-garde. Alright. Setup, you can choose a different one, but I choose the first one, just for the sake of this video. Wow, it looks like an oil painting. Damn. Nice. Did you notice something? Did you notice that this screen it looks like a matte finish? And I love it. Very little reflections, very little compared to any other smartphone. It's a new technology with anti-glare technology. I would love to see this technology in the latest TVs, laptops, notebooks. Well, everywhere. To have an OLED with very little reflection. I have an OLED TV, which is very reflective. I have to custom made a back wall for it because it was so reflective. It's still reflective, but yeah. The main downgrade is contrast. It's a little bit less, and viewing angles not the same. But this is a smartphone, so most of you will have it directly to your face. Are you watching smartphone on the sides? Probably not. So S24 is an AI monster. What does that mean? It means that we can do all kinds of things. For example, if we hit photo, let me find a good photo for the AI experience, and I've made tons of photos. For example, a dog. We have a very nice dog. If we hit edit, hit stars to AI generate. Let me just zoom a little bit. It will be a little bit more, maybe. All right. And then we circle the dog. Okay, we didn't circle correctly. And we hold it, and yeah, put it in here. We can make it bigger, smaller. Let's make it smaller and generate. And let's see how it's going to perform that task. Adding the missing scenery. All right. Is it going to be flawless or? Well, it is pranking us. Samsung is pranking us greatly. Hey, what is this? It's some kind of rock, wooden rock. I'm not sure what that is. It is pranking us. I don't know why it's doing that, but it is doing that. How to avoid it? I have no idea. Also, you can correct the picture if it's bent every direction. All kinds of AI feature. Also, okay, I forgot that. If we hit generate the AI again, mark the dog. You can erase it if we wanted to. Generate. Erase the dog, please. Please erase a dog. Erasing a dog. You should erase it. And it's gone! Wow. Now, that is cool. It's only some black thing, but it is gone. Original. Now that's an AI for you. Oh, that is super good. We made it. Alright. But that's photos. We want to translate something on the browser. Hitting the main button. Circle around it. And you can translate, copy or translate to any language you want. All the language. Let's say to Polish. I'm from Poland. And yeah, I'm checking the translation, and it is 95% accurate. A shopping center. You find something on the display. Take a photo. You don't have to take a photo, but you can. Circle around it, and immediately you will find it on the internet. How much it costs. On the eBay, Amazon. I'm in Poland, so it's AliExpress, Allegro. It all depends where you live. Let me show you an example on this one. It's a carpet and knife. And we don't have to take a photo. Just hold the main button, circle around it, and exactly the same knife. Exactly. In a matter of seconds. On Amazon, like you can see, Amazon and all kinds of different, China, eBay. We also have voice recording, and which we can translate on, well, very quickly. I will say something in Polish. Dzień dobry panu, czy wie pan, że w Biedronce, sklepie, który jest bardzo popularny w Polsce, jest na promocji marchewka 2 złote polskie taniej? Safe? Now we can transcribe. This was a Polish language. It will generate, and then, all right, and it's accurate. See, everything what I said, it's transcribed to and then switch to English. Translate to English. Good morning, sir. Do you know that is yeah, it's accurate. Must say it's 100% accurate in this one. Now that is incredible. The main cool feature is a voice call live translation. It doesn't matter what's on the other end. It will translate. Hitting, let me hit the speaker, and call assist, text call or live translate. I will say something in Polish and it will translate to English for you.
Cześć Marku, pamiętasz, że pożyczałem ci $100,000 w tamtym tygodniu? Chciałbym, żebyś mi je oddał, gdyż znalazłem w salonie w Miami wspaniałe Ferrari. Jest czerwone, jest piękne, jest szerokie i chciałbym je dzisiaj kupić.
Hi Mark, you remember I left you $100,000 last week? I'd like you to give it back to me when I found a great Ferrari in the Miami living room. Red is beautiful as white and I'd like to buy it today.
Forget about it, John. I took that money and I left the country, so forget about Ferrari. I'm sorry, John. Your money is gone.
Wziąłem te pieniądze i opuściłem kraj, więc zapomnij o przepraszam. Przepraszam, Jochny. Twoje pieniądze przepadły.
It is 95% accurate. When I was talking Polish, translated to English, well, at living room, well, some mistakes was made. In English to Polish, it was fantastic, like 100%. That is strange because my Polish is a native language and it's way better than English. But, well, it is live translation. 95% is still a phenomenal experience for the first in the world AI live translation. Phenomenal. And that's the AI. What about power? What kind of power do we have? And we do have a little bit of power, 1,800,000 points, which compared to the Xiaomi 14, which has the same chip, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 2,200,000, so a lot less than the Xiaomi 14. Not the Pro version, the regular one. Which is strange. But storage test is impressive. Why storage test? Well, for multitasking. For example, if you play a game and you want to stream that game, or maybe not stream, like record your gameplay, then good storage is needed. And this one is really good. Look at that. Scores for the random access, 1,400, and for the write speed, 1,032. That is a very, very good. But if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, let me show you different numbers. 2,072 in a single core, 6,537 in a multi-score compared to the previous generation, Galaxy S23 Ultra, a little bit more, and the multi significantly more, 5,000 to 600. Well, we do have a game mode. If you hit bottom corner, we do have a performance mode. We can change it. Battery left, memory, priority mode. Turn it on, of course. And we can record a gameplay and stuff like that. I don't have a FPS meter because usually those FPS meters are measuring the screen and not the game itself. So it is smooth. Very. Very. Whew. Winning. They're coming on the back. And in the camera, well, look how nice it is focusing. Portrait mode, focusing on my face. Well, photo, we do have autofocus in the front-facing camera, just very quick. Bam, it is extremely quick, very nice. Also, wide-angle lens, we do have autofocus in wide-angle lens, which can make such a cool pictures like that, which is not available in the regular version. Well, there you go. You won't be able to do that in the regular version, which is super cool. It has autofocus in all the lenses, basically. All of them. Literally all of them. Wow. So that macro. Go even closer, but that's just too close. You can hit, 50 megapixel picture with also a very nice macro zoom, or 200 megapixels without any crop. At least I don't see any crop. Do we see any crop? No, there's no crop. Zero crop. And how quick that is compared to the previous version, which was very slow. This one is just making those 200 megapixels all the time. Fantastic. In the video department, we can record in 8K 30, also without any crop. Look, let me just place that carpet and knife on the edge of the screen. We do have 8K 30, and then switching to 4K, no crop, zero. 4K 60, zero crop. So basically zero crop all the way to 8K 30 frames per second, which is not available in the regular version, which has a little bit of crop, like 5%. This is free of crop. Amazing. And also you can zoom in 8K, which is, wow, like, this is first 8K smartphone which is usable. This 8K is very usable, very fast. It's not lagging or anything. Just usable 8K, which is fantastic. Now, if you go more, then in Pro Video, then we will have 4K 120 for a beautiful slow motion, if you want it. Of course, front and back mic, Omni, wireless mic, Bluetooth, and all kinds of different settings. If we go back, hit more, and Pro Photo, we do have Pro Photo with focus center, speed, ISO, 50 megapixels. There's no 200 in the Pro, which is strange. Anyway, Expert RAW, if you wanted to. Well, do we have to download it first? And there it is, RAW. Maximum to 50 megapixels, so 24 megapixel. Expert, bam. Expert RAW. Dual recording. You can record the screen and then you will have all the lenses at the same time. You can choose two of them. Let's stick with the front and ultra wide. And then you see you have dual recording. Of course, we can switch like that. It is limited to 4K 30 frames per second, but you can place it whatever you like. Okay, or like that to portrait video. And in portrait video, if you find a face front and back, then you can play around with a blur effect. You can do it much harder. It's super cool. It imitates the full frame camera. Watch it on a full camera view. There's a separate video on my channel. Just watch it there and you'll be satisfied. At least I think so. All right. Let me just switch back to the regular view and let me show you some samples, photo and video. And there will be a samples in the description of this video, a link in the description, so you can download the original one without any compression. a pen, which works flawlessly. And it is very addictive to click. Conclusion, this smartphone have it all, and it's a huge upgrade from the previous smartphone. AI, fantastic. Screen, not reflective. 4K 60, switching lenses during the recording, all of them. Usable 8K. That is a fantastic smart. Maybe iPhone 15 Pro has a better quality video in ProRes, but those files are like insane. 40 gigabyte, 50, 60, 70 gigabytes. This also has that Pro, it's not the ProRes, high bitrate, but it's not such a huge files. Huge, but still not that much. But still, usability-wise, well, and that's the thing, because this smartphone is big. For me, I have a short, fat, sausage fingers. It's two-handed smartphone. I would love to see wide-angle lens from that smartphone in the smallest smartphone, like Galaxy S21. It will be like a perfect smartphone for me. But those are the personal preference. So if you're in the market for the best, Ultra is the smartphone for you. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye.